Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a slightly rounded double-sided welt pocket. For example, for the back of your OVALO pants. Fuse an interfacing strip of 14 by 6 centimeters to the marked welt opening on the left side. Mark the opening line with tailor's chalk or basting thread. Place the welt strips, right sides together, along the marked line, allowing the ends to extend evenly. Stitch precisely along the marked lines. Both seams must be identical in length and width. As you can see, the pocket line is not straight but rounded, which is why you'll also sew the welt strips on in a bit of a round line. Cut between the stitching lines and clip diagonally towards the seam around 1 centimeter before each end to create small triangles. Do not cut into the welt strips. Turn the welt strips to the inside. Press seam allowances open in the classic method, or press them into the fabric for a finer finish. Fold the welt strips over the seam allowance so the finished welt measures about 7 millimeters and neatly fills the opening. Baste and press. You'll now sew in the seam ditch to secure the welt. Do this from the outside with a straight stitch of your machine. It should ideally be almost not visible. Now place your main fabric pocket bag piece on the upper welt and sew it onto the seam allowance. Attach the lining pocket bag to the inner lower welt seam. Finish the seam and press downward. Fold the upper bag over the lower bag. Pin them and sew around to sew the pocket together. It is important that you catch the little triangles while sewing them together. Here you can see how that looks like. The triangle is secured in the seam line. Now trim the pocket bags and finish the edges together. Finish the edges with a zigzag stitch of your machine. Attach a small snap fastener or button for this pocket. Thank you so much for your interest, and have a look at our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos around sewing and our garments.